It don't happen bang bang. This will happen for Ondo State. Resident Overpower truck driver loot rice beans Garri and that is branded in Tinubu's name. This truck, we don't know where they carry loads go, but they say the whole bags were branded with Tinubu's name in Ondo State. Now the truck go tackle someone. As a pafuka for them, they do a nice market sellers, street urchins, and some looters attack the motor driver. They say, efile, everything like the Gideon, Pakera, put and sand for a mouth to tell us, say, if you talk fame, and they begin kata things until they empty the truck like this. People don't come and condemn the act to say, make them look for the looters. How many of them you want to see? Now for Ondo State, now in that one happen. How na see
am? This thing, how they take no say the thing, the stuffs, the food stuffs, they branded. No, they branded with Tinubu name.
Now people will carry am and see am. That way they don't loot, they don't see am. News people carry the looters now.
Okay.
So the branded this thing. The thing say how they tell no say truck wey spoil for road now.
Now food dey inside.
And
now government.
I never talk. The thing be say, where the which people the truck won't go give food.
That's another question wey people also ask for the comments.
E get people wey stay for this country Nigeria na too.
See one. And wetin dey happen for Ondo wey dem dey carry food go their own.
No, they pass o. This trailer they pass,
yes,
then they go. They say one get fault because if trailer then they go in one accord.
Yes.
That's why they go together.
One can spoil.
So if one spoil,
others
go wait.
Me I believe now one of the drivers wey go smoke cigar go dey jabo when the taste spoil. When they say food na im dey that trailer.
Where did they carry this food go? When they say food not there.
Maybe na part of the food wey dem dey distribute all over na maybe na other states.
Because you tell me say they distribute food now.
As I speak to you, na Lagos State dey give out their own check kiniko in a very cheap rate for some local government. It's happening. It go happen for 40 weeks and it started about 3 or 4 weeks ago.
40 weeks.
Yes.
Wait though, all this thing
almost a year now.
All this thing they happen, I don't know. Everything where government they do for ID card now I get if
yeah,
you say
you are okay
if
now.
You say go
but I say hunger they beat you go no.
But they say you dey there you for carry.
For the
what I for carry?
Now for lead the sport now why they talk like
well, I get NIN. See, I'm a citizen of this country. I mean I have all the credential of this country. I have everything. Name it.
You get international passport.
I have international passport. I have driver.
You don't travel.
Wait, let me. I'm not call my ID card for
you. Don't travel.
I've traveled.
How many times?
It didn't work out.
The thing don't expire.
No.
Never expire.
Yes.
It will soon expire.
Yes.
You know, say only Nigeria you get international passport. You never travel. Your passport don't expire. You come to use your passport. And just say that passport last you use and go register SIM.
No, look, I'm coming. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. That will be your means of identification.
You are not a citizen because before we count 5 ID card, valid ID card. You don't have anyone. I have driver license. That one said cover everything. Say
now driver license you wan use go loot rice.
It's national ID card now. Yes.
Not talking of loot. It's talking of this one that Lagos State is sharing.
Yes. When Lagos State they give, I get ID card. I get international passport. I get NIN. I get voter's card. I get
BVN.
I get BVN.
Even CNN.
I get SIM card. If I go bank like this, they say make if I want withdraw money, they'll say I put my hand for one green thing like this. Once I put that, I get that one.
Say na green thing.